Oh shoot, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Donna from the Foodie Flex, and today we're gonna be flexing some Karioka. I'm so excited for this one because I grew up with this. I seldom see it now. People don't normally make it, and so we're gonna try making that today. Let's get right into it.
In a bowl, combine all of your dry ingredients. That's going to be the 3 cups of glutinous rice flour and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give that a nice mix. Then you're going to add in 1 can of coconut cream, making sure to heat it up so it's nice and warm. I find this to really hydrate the flour and get everything together into a nice clay-like dough ball. After a while, I use my hands to knead everything together. Quick tip, use an ice cream scooper. This is going to be your bestie, trust. Heat up a pot with your oil of choice. I'm using olive oil here. Use your ice cream scooper, scoop some dough, poke a hole, and dunk it. Just make sure not to drop too much as they start to overcrowd and stick to each other. And let that fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. In a separate pan, combine 1 can of coconut cream and 2 cups of brown sugar. Allow the sugar to dissolve and let that glaze simmer until she thickens. See what I did there? Once all the Karioka balls are done frying, dip them into that amazing glaze until nice and coated. Now, you can chow on these right away, but I like to set it aside for a few minutes to allow the glaze to harden just a bit. Just gives it a nice extra crunch to it, you know?
Oh my gosh, look how gooey and icky and sticky that is. Crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside, sweet, mochi-like. Be careful with this one. These are addicting. My husband, he loves these. Woo! That was so yummy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. That would mean so much to me and would tremendously help my channel. And if you haven't already checked out my sweet treats just in time for the holiday series, whew, that was a mouthful. Check out this video right here or right here. And once again, thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.